Yo, what's up everyone? Here's the quick message from Roblox. We have identified root cause and solution. We are working on getting things back online and we will keep you updated throughout the day. So that means that they found what's happening with Roblox and they're gonna fix it. So I'm pretty sure we could play it at near 8 o'clock, or higher. It's definitely coming out tomorrow or today. It's not gonna take longer because they figured it out, right? And they just posted this 27 minutes ago, and I don't have any. Go. Oh, they're in my backpack. Okay. So yeah, here's the message. So they they found the root cause of this and solution. What? Oh wait, the solution. They know how to fix it. They're getting it. They're getting things back online. Okay, so that means really soon, not 8 o'clock. They could probably get it back soon. Wow. Okay. All right. Well, that means it could be really soon.